Portable SSDs are efficient solutions for backing up PCs, transferring videos from Macs, or offloading games from PlayStation 5s and other storage needs. They are faster, lighter, and more reliable than traditional hard drives, although they come at a higher cost. When purchasing a portable SSD, storage needs are crucial, with capacities typically ranging from 1 TB to 4 TB. A good rule of thumb is to buy an SSD with twice the space of the computer's internal storage to ensure ample backup and storage capacity. Speed is vital, with USB 3.2 Gen 2 offering a good balance of functionality and price. Additionally, it's important to look for SSDs with durable designs and good warranties, usually 3 to 5 years. Portable SSDs are generally small and light, making them easy to carry. They offer superior durability due to the lack of moving mechanical parts, reducing failure risk. Some models feature additional ruggedness with water and dust resistance, enhancing their suitability for various conditions. For best results, regular backups and cloud storage are recommended for data protection. Let's explore. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Samsung T7 Shield 1 TB. The Samsung T7 Shield 1 TB stands out for its durability and high-speed functionality, making it an excellent choice for users who need a rugged and reliable portable SSD. Designed with a robust construction, the T7 Shield is water, dust, and drop-resistant, ensuring it can handle harsh conditions and accidental drops from up to 9.8 feet. This makes it particularly suitable for outdoor activities and demanding work conditions. The T7 Shield utilizes USB 3.2 Gen 2 technology, providing fast data transfer speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second for read operations and 1,000 megabytes per second for write operations. These speeds are ideal for quickly transferring large files, whether for professional use or personal backup. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including PCs, Macs, Android devices, and gaming consoles, enhancing its versatility across different platforms. With storage capacities ranging from 1 TB to 4 TB, the T7 Shield offers ample space for storing large files, including high-resolution videos and extensive photo libraries. The SSD also features Samsung's Magician software, which helps monitor drive health and improve functionality. The software also includes encryption options for added security. While the T7 Shield is excellent for rugged use, its high-speed functionality comes at a higher price point. Nonetheless, for those needing a durable and fast SSD, it is a valuable investment. Number 4. Silicon Power 1 TB Portable SSD. The Silicon Power 1 TB PX10 USB-C 3.2 Gen Portable SSD is designed for high functionality and portable storage. It delivers impressive read and write speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second, enabling rapid data transfers and supporting high-resolution Apple ProRes 4K/60p video recording. The SSD connects via an integrated USB-C 3.2 Gen port that provides both data transfer and bus power, ensuring efficient operation without needing additional power sources. With its broad compatibility, the PX10 works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, Linux, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, and Xbox Series XS. Its robust aluminum build and MILSTD certification make it durable enough to withstand harsh conditions, while its compact design, measuring just 0.4 inches thick and weighing 1.2 ounces, enhances portability. The 1 TB capacity offers ample storage, letting users quickly access games or large files without the need for constant deletions or lengthy downloads. The PX10 supports rapid 4K UHD video transfers, moving a massive 10 GB file in about 10 seconds. It also features a USB-C cable that provides 60W power delivery, PD, and data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second. Number 3. ADATA SE920. The ADATA SE920 1 TB is a premium portable SSD known for its high-speed functionality and advanced features. It is available in capacities of 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB, catering to different storage needs. The SE920 measures 4.13 by 2.52 by 0.62 inches with the fan off and 4.82 by 2.52 by 0.62 inches with the fan on, and weighs 6.4 ounces. This slightly larger size accommodates its cooling mechanism but remains portable. The SE920 utilizes the USB 4 interface, delivering impressive read speeds of up to 3,800 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 3,700 megabytes per second. This makes it suitable for tasks requiring high-speed data transfers. The SSD features a built-in microfan, which provides active cooling by being activated with a press of the case. This cooling system helps maintain functionality and prevents overheating during intensive use. The SE920 is designed with a sleek metal enclosure, combining durability with a stylish appearance. It comes with a 5-year warranty, emphasizing its reliability and long-term value. This SSD is particularly ideal for media editors, IT professionals, and enthusiasts who need fast and efficient data transfers. Number 2. Kingston XS1000. The Kingston XS1000 1TB portable SSD is an affordable and high-functionality storage solution, offering a balance between cost and functionality. Available in 1TB and 2TB capacities, it measures 2.74 by 1.28 by 0.53 inches and weighs just 1.01 ounces, making it highly portable and convenient for users on the go. The XS1000 features a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, providing read speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 1,000 megabytes per second. While its functionality is comparable to the Crucial X9 Pro, it is priced lower, making it an excellent option for everyday backups and transfers. Despite its compact size and strong functionality, the XS1000 has a few limitations. It lacks formal IP or drop ratings, meaning it may not offer the same level of durability as some other models. It also does not include hardware-based encryption and only comes with a USB-C to a cable, requiring users to supply their own adapter for USB-C ports. Number 1. Crucial X9 Pro. The Crucial X9 Pro 1TB is a versatile and high-functionality portable SSD, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. It is available in 1TB, 2TB, and 4TB capacities and measures 2.56 by 1.97 by 0.39 inches, weighing 1.34 ounces. Its compact size and light weight enhance its portability, making it easy to carry around. Utilizing a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, the X9 Pro delivers read and write speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second. This speed is suitable for most non-professional tasks and offers reliable functionality for everyday use. The SSD features an aluminum case that is IP55, rated for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability in various conditions. It is backed by a 5-year warranty, which adds to its reliability and provides peace of mind. The X9 Pro excels in benchmarks and remains cool during extended use, making it a dependable choice for users with various storage needs. However, the X9 Pro does have a few drawbacks. The included USB-C cable is short, and there is no USB-A adapter included. While it supports 256-bit hardware-based encryption, the promised password protection tool is not yet available. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.